Hey my friends, how you doing? This is Coffee Chug, and I wanted to do a unboxing. Haven't done an unboxing video in quite some time, and I'm super excited about this one. As you can imagine, probably with all my Lego stuff, the ads that show up on Facebook, this is one of them, this Booster Bricks Club. It's shown up for such a long time, and I always check it out and look at it and see what people are doing, that I finally took the plunge. So I guess the Facebook ads do work, don't they? And so I just want to open it up because I really don't know what to expect. I just kind of signed up, not that I necessarily need more Lego pieces, but I just kind of love the community, and I wanted to know what's going on. Is it definitely worth the investment? So let's take a look at this and figure it out. I do like the box. I kind of like this little quote here, "Are you up for the challenge?" And so we're definitely going to find out what this challenge here is. So let me pan this out here a little bit and take a look at what comes inside. And this is all new to me in this rodeo. So I'm going to move the box out the way there, but you can see everything is packaged actually pretty nice. I'm pretty impressed. I originally thought it'd just be a box, just kind of baggies of Lego. And so we have a minifig challenge here of the movie director. And so we need to take a look at that. And this is obviously, you can see here, for the April 2019. We have a minifig challenge build. There is a micro build challenge of a golf cart. I think that's what that said, if I can shake that down there. So that's kind of cool. And then we have a blindfold build challenge. Guys, I don't even know what that is. Literally, I'm assuming if we can do that blindfolded or what. But there's just a bunch of Lego pieces in here. Maybe I'll show my builds afterwards as a follow-up. I won't dump all these yet, but it seems to be just a random assortment of builds here for the blindfold build challenge. And then we have the premiere challenge, a much bigger container of Lego, and there's a ton of pieces in here. Pretty excited for this one to see what's all there. So let's hold off on that too, just for the time being. And the last thing that's in here is this little booklet. And inside of the box we have what's on here: the premiere challenge, the blindfold challenge, micro build, and minifig, and then the spotlight piece of the month, and then the interactive story to tie all the challenges together. This is key here. No instructions, just your imagination. So you're not coming in here to get pre-built models, which is exciting. You got to make do with what you've got, right? And this fits a lot with what we've got going on. And so this must be the spotlight piece, I'm assuming. I'm going to go on a limb here because it's in this bag by itself, the spotlight piece. So I don't know what that means, but we're gonna find out here. And we got this little bookmark, Brickley wood. Oh yeah, right here. Duh. Spotlight piece of the month. Maybe I just look a bit further. Slope curve 4x1 double no stud. And just some information about it. It's kind of cool. Some nerdy trivia for those that want to know more about it, and the sets that you can find it in. That's pretty clever. I like that. We got a little sticker here. It's always good to have a sticker. And then the booklet itself, which looks like it comes with a storyline. Obviously not going to read that today, and that's going to lead into the challenges of what we've got going on, and then a little bit more information on what the challenges are going to be for the month, which is pretty exciting. So I will follow up here with what I build and what we do, and my thoughts as the review in the next video. But at least for now, you can see the unboxing of this kit, and I will say so far I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty impressed with what I see here, and there's only one way to truly get a true appreciation, and that's to dive in and build. So here we go. Alright guys, take care.